Welcome back to another video, and today we'll be talking about a new theme, a brand new theme for WordPress.com and WordPress.org. And so my name is Jeff Long, and I love teaching people how to use WordPress for their blog, for their website, and really how to utilize it and make it work best for them. So I'm in WordPress.com. The good thing with this theme is like I said, it comes now available for WordPress.com as well as WordPress.org. And so I'm on my WordPress.com blog. And if I go into my themes and settings, so let's go under themes. Let's click themes under appearance. And right now I have the 2010 theme. It's a great theme. But let's search for Spectrum. And it'll take just a second to think here. Now, as all my themes, I can activate it right away, or I can click preview. And it gives a description, has a beautiful color theme, can be customized, and it has all these tags. So let's preview it first. All right, so that's basically how it'll look. Let's go ahead and click this activate button here in the top right-hand part right here. Let's click activate, and let's go to our website here, our blog, website training blog, and let's click refresh. And there we go. There is my new theme. Let's go over a few things. I like this theme. I think it looks really good. It has this, color swirl up here. Looks really good. And then it has these transparent menu system here. So I'm currently on the blog page. I have a sub navigation menu that I can drop down there. If I highlight About Me, WordPress Training, or Home, it also highlights it in black. And so it has this, this is one of my blog posts. I do like this green wraparound bar right here. I like how the date looks for my blog. Now, as I scroll down, you'll see they look pretty much the same. Now, a couple things I don't really care for are these sidebar items and how it displays those. So I like that it says, I'm just going to highlight this, Master WordPress has this gray wraparound. I can select if I want to learn how to master WordPress.org for my website. I can click on any of these icons. If I want to learn how to set up a podcast through WordPress and iTunes, I can click on this icon. And then this last one, if I'm a wedding photographer, I can click on that icon and watch those videos and buy those products. So I do like this first one. Oddly enough, I don't like this recent post. I don't like how that's blue. And the first one is just, gray. So I think the reason for that is I can click on these recent posts right here. I don't like how this gets cut off right here. And I can go into the CSS and change it. But for most people, the reason they use WordPress.com is its simplicity. You're not a web designer like I am. You don't want to change HTML and code and all that. So I'm not really sure why it gives, the formatting it does here. Same thing with this RSS feed. This goes to WordPressTrainingHub.com, and I can shorten the text here, and I'll show you how to do that in just a minute. As I scroll down, it gives me this custom tag cloud for this bottom area. Now, for those of you learning the 2010 theme, you'll know that the bottom footer has 4 different footer widget areas, and those all got canceled or overwritten by this tag cloud. So before you convert your theme from the 2010 theme or from another theme that has these footer widgets, make sure you turn those off, or you drag and drop those into the inactive widgets so you can easily activate them again. So let's go behind the scenes and look at this. Before we do that, let's just click on the home button, see where it takes us. Okay, so it takes us to our home page, obviously. And again, it has these different options. So let's go behind the scenes. Let's go to background. And this is where I can customize a theme, just like in the 2010 theme, header, background, and image. So if I have a background image I want to upload, I could browse for that. If I have a color, let's pick a color here. Let's pick a blue, and then Let's pick a really dark blue here. That's actually almost black. Let's pick, there we go. I like the color blue. Click Save Changes. And let's go to our blog and click the refresh button. Now, you'll notice that it overwrote that cool looking background and everything is blue, which I kind of like how, these wraparound things really stand out. That looks really sharp. But I don't like that my website training is so dark, so I might not use that color. I could find a different color, but let's just click delete and save changes. That way it'll go back to that cool looking background. So let's go back, click refresh. And there we go. Here's my cool background once again. I really like how that looks. So let's keep moving forward. So let's go under the header, under appearance, and same thing. You can add a new header. You can create one that's 938 by 150 pixels. You can upload it to your, upload it from your computer, click Save Changes, and you'll have a new header. But let's go into this widgets area. And like I said, my 2010 theme had several different widget areas. So, this one just has this primary widget area. And it does look like it maybe automatically put some of my active widget areas from my footer from the 2010 theme and put them in this inactive area, which that is really nice. So you can, re-upload or re-import your Twitter and your top rated and some different things like that. And I would recommend doing that. Now, the one thing I noticed was really strange was the menu options for my pages. So if you go here, you'll notice About Me is first and Home is last. Whereas when I had it set up in the 2010 theme, Home was last, WordPress training was second, Blog was third, and About Me was last. So if for some reason it switches those, and I'm not really sure why. So what you can do is you can go into your Menus tab. I have Main Navigation as my theme menu system right here. And you'll have to, switch these up. So if I want Home to be first, I have to drag it to the bottom. Let's just do it with one of these. Click Save Changes. Let's click Refresh. And there we go. It made Home the first tab, even though here in my menus, it's the last one. So that's kind of strange for me. I'm actually going to move that back, and I'll probably reset this theme to the 2010 theme. So I'll just click Save there. So that is it. That's a brief overview of the Spectrum theme. They just released it a few days ago. Again, it has this great looking background. It even has this transparency layer or level that I really like. And then it has these wraparound colored boxes that are really nice. Has some other cool features like the semi-transparent menus. But like I said, for some reason, the menus are in flipped reverse, so you'll have to switch those out. So if you want to use that theme, just go ahead in WordPress.com, or if you're a WordPress.org user, search for Spectrum, and that should come right up. You can activate that just like I did. Now, to find this tutorial and many more, go to WordPressTrainingHub.com, and you'll find different training videos for WordPress, for podcast, and much more. So if you want to learn how to build a WordPress website for your niche website, if you're a coach or consultant, if you're a speaker, a youth group, or a wedding photographer, go to WordPress Training Hub to learn more, and there are more training videos coming soon. But for WordPress.com videos, go to free and then click on WordPress.com, and I have a whole hour-long WordPress.com training series for free that you can sign up for and watch all the videos. So if you use WordPress.com for your blogging, you can go to WordPressTrainingHub.com, look under free, and then go to WordPress.com for the free training series you can sign up for. It's a great tutorial. If you have other questions, other videos you'd like me to release, go to the contact page at WordPressTrainingHub.com, drop me a line, let me know what you'd like to learn and how I can help you improve your WordPress website.